And sa aming pamilya, on behalf of my siblings, my family, my children, and my wife, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga nandito na, sa may planong pumunta dito at hindi makapunta, basta alam po namin nandyan po kayo, sumusuporta, nagmamahal sa aming may gusto lang po akong basahin sa inyo. Yes, eto galing po sa aming puso. I-generalize ko na lang po for social media purposes para po sa ating lahat. Of our beloved mother, Nora Honor, national artist and the greatest actress in the history of Philippine cinema. She passed away peacefully last night, April 16, and surrounded by those who love her the most. From a very young age, our mom captivated hearts with her talent and grace, an unmatched voice.